Hi everyone, it's that time of the year again when Google for Developers sends us some really cool swag all the way from Korea to distribute to the Deep Techstars community of AI devs. So we'll do a quick unboxing. Let's check out some of the things that they've sent. First, this is a really nice compact travel bag. I think some of you have actually won this last time in one of our giveaways. We have two more now. This is actually really cool. I like this one. We have two of these. And then we have, again, I think some of you got this last time. These are a case for your glasses or sunglasses. Really nice and sturdy. And it's also very compact, so it's kind of easy to carry along in your backpacks or whatever it is. And then, of course, the crowd favorites. We have a whole bunch of pins and we have a whole bunch of stickers. So what we'll do, we always like conducting small quizzes where each of the winners get some stickers. Let's do more of those. This is a Jack's bag. Nice. Oh, I like these. These are Google notebooks, Google AI Sprint notebooks. Very nice, high quality for those of you who like to pen down your thoughts. That's good. And then here's a toiletries kit from Lululemon. More bags. These are nice, eco-friendly. It looks like jute bags. We have quite a few of those this time. Thank you, Google. Oh, and here's for all you coffee lovers out there. Here's a nice mug that the Google team has sent across. I think we have two of these mugs, very nifty, kind of like this. Yeah, that's a cool mug. What else? What else? T-shirts, a whole bunch of T-shirts. These are pretty cool. Google for developers. This is probably collab, I guess. Yeah. And yeah, more of these, a whole bunch of these. And finally, there's this one thing which I didn't know what this is. It seems to be some kind of a flotation device, maybe a ball. Once you blow air into it, it'll probably take shape. But yeah, if anyone of you knows what this is, please mention it in the comments so that we can figure out what to do exactly with this. But yeah, we have two of these, and we'll also be giving some of these away. So to get some of the swag, all you have to do, come participate at some of our Google for Developer events conducted by Deep Tech Stars. We are now doing these events not just in Bangalore but also Mumbai and Pune, and we hope to come to Delhi and Chennai as well very soon. So yeah, see you soon and come take some of these cool goodies. Bye.